Hello everyone. So we are still in the no buy challenge. January we are trying to only spend necessary money on obviously food and necessity, I should say, which also means that we're trying to eat at home because going out is not a necessity. So I wanted to show one thing that because we do meal prepping, we've been doing that forever, and someone saw on Instagram and asked about the savory seed crunch that I make. This is like a wonderful seed mix that is roasted seeds. So we're talking about sunflowers, because I have a lot of those, and sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds. It could be actually like any nuts or seeds that you happen to have on hands. But you roast them in a pan, frying pan, just dry roast them, and then add some soy sauce or tamari, or we do bragg's liquid aminos, and roast them till they're dry. This is just a wonderful seed that adds a little bit like extra crunch and flavor. And you can sprinkle them on salads, you can sprinkle them on pasta, you can sprinkle them on rice and beans, you can sprinkle them on anything. It's just delicious to eat. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, it's super simple. Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to show how I make our super seeds that we sprinkle on a lot of the food. So first of all, it's a half a cup of sesame seeds in a frying pan, a dry frying pan. 1 cup of raw pumpkin seeds and 1 cup of raw sunflower seeds. And all I'm gonna do now is shake it around, maybe stir it. So we use this seeds to put on topping on salads, our soups, on our pasta, especially pasta. The kids love this on pasta. It gets really crunchy and salty. And it is super easy way to add a little bit more protein and nutrition to the kids' meals and to my meals too. And it's so fast to make. So we're just gonna wait for these to start popping and get a little bit of brown. The easy thing is to just shake it once in a while, maybe toss it, and also smell it, but this is divine. See, it's starting to get a little bit brown here. You can hear a slight popping. Want them to get a little bit more. I think I might have used a too small of a pan, so recommended maybe a bigger pan if you're making this much. So the seeds are toasted and I can smell them toasted. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of bread liquid aminos. You can also do obviously any other soy sauce, but that is what we use. And we're gonna just stir them. I'm also gonna turn off the heat and just stir them at extra heat here. And because you want them to dry and get crunchy after I put the liquid on. If you're doing this for adults and you like a little bit more spice, you can add all kinds of spices. You can add curry, you can add chili powder. I just make it for very delicate little mouses. This is how they like it, so this is how we make it. All right, I'm just gonna spread it out and let it sit there and dry on after heat. That was super easy and took what, 5 minutes? So these are cooled off, and that's really important that they cool off before you put them in the jar, otherwise the heat will make them soggy. You want them soggy. Hear that crunch, oh yeah. And of course I'm using my trusted yeast. Yeah, looks simple, so crunchy, so salty, so good to have on top of pretty much everything. There you go. Super easy, and this is something we food prep every week. We make these seeds to have them around, and they go by so quickly. The kids absolutely love them, and they will sprinkle a lot of them on. But this is a super easy way, and I have to say that when you're trying to eat in a budget, adding some extra little crunches and fun little ornaments, like, it makes a huge difference. So anyway, hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and come back soon. Bye.